In this video, I will walk you through the steps to install the eUTV application brought to you by Streamfire TV. And this is if you're installing it on the Amazon Fire Stick. Now, first thing you want to do is get your stick registered and all set up with Amazon. And then once you've done that, you come here to the home screen and go to your settings. Go to my device, my Fire TV, and we're going to go to developer options and turn on unknown sources. Once we have that turned on, we're going to go back to the home screen, go to search, and search for the application downloader. You see it here. And once you get that, just download and install it. After you have that download and installed, open it up, and you're going to click in, go ahead and allow it, and click in here and type the following. Click go after you get that typed in there. Install that. Once that's installed, well, download it first, and then we're going to install it. Click install. After it's installed, don't open it, just hit done. You want to delete this file from the downloader app to save some space on your Fire Stick. You can go ahead and exit out of the downloader app, and it'll take you back to the Amazon home screen. We're going to go to our app, and we're going to scroll down to eUTV, right click, and move app to the front. It's on the front, click on the eUTV, and there's your app installed. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video.